So before I start a video related to smooth love person crypto token, one request. You can see that there is one thanks button given near the download button. If you are watching my video, you can see that there is one thanks button given near a download button. Now what is that thanks? That is a super thanks. Means if you like my video, you can provide me some thanks which can motivate me to make more video. Also there is the need of some thanks also. Also one more thing, I have provided my telegram channel link also. Please join my telegram channel to get a latest update related to smooth love process crypto. So you can check currently the market rank of smooth love process 156, which can go to 152 in near future. If I click on overview, you can see here currently the price is $0.00328, and in near future this coin can cross $1. Whereas if I talk about trading volume, Whereas if I talk about trading volume, the trading volume of this crypto has been increased with 20.36%. So this is the video related to smooth love person. So we'll see you soon in another cryptocurrency video. Before that, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Also join my telegram channel. You will get the link in description box. And before investment, do a proper crypto market research, because crypto market is highly volatile. And please provide me some thanks. You can see a thanks near download button, which can motivate me to make more video. And please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. We'll see you soon in another cryptocurrency video.